Right guys, I wanted to come on here and address some of the very natural skepticism to my AGI is here YouTube video. I put that out and of course I did expect some pushback naturally, but this video I'm really making for those of you who are on the fence who don't know if they can believe me or trust me or not. Maybe you're an outright skeptic and you're here to get in the comment section regardless, but I just wanted to draw a few parallels to what we're seeing now and what I experienced 3 years ago and why you should really just be a little bit more open-minded and hear me out on this one and maybe dip your feet in a bit, because there's so much upside for you if you choose to believe. My hope is that I can break the beliefs of a few of you so that you can benefit in the incredible upside that I believe this new AI operating systems or AGI opportunity presents for us. So I want to start out by framing this up by using a Peter Thiel quote that's very famous now. Peter Thiel, if you don't know, one of the most successful investors in the world, one of the founders of PayPal, now also a founder of Palantir, one of the most valuable companies in the world. And what he said, and it's a very important lesson in business, is what do you believe to be true that very few others do? And this is called a contrarian take. And in business, that's where the money is. That's why he asks the people that he's investing in, he asks people generally on interviews, what is something that you believe to be true that very few others agree with you on? And within one of these contrarian takes is an incredible amount of money to be made. And I point this out because I had a very contrarian take back in 2023. When I first got into AI at the start of 2023, I'd seen the ChatGPT moment and I'd gone, holy moly, this is clearly the next big thing. I don't know how I'm going to make money in it. I don't know where the business model is going to appear, but I'm going to jump in and create a YouTube channel and try to figure it out. And my YouTube content at the start was just me exploring this, how to make money with ChatGPT angle. And I was the first person to discover this AI agency or AI automation agency model, which was, I mean, it might seem obvious now, but it was not obvious back then. There was people doing prompt selling and copywriting services, but it was me and my team at Morningside AI who we started off as an AI development company doing traditional AI development with code and using the GPT-3 APIs. But what we realized is that if we used no-code or low-code platforms to help deliver things cheaper and faster, not only could we deliver faster and cheaper solutions to our clients, but the aha moment was that, okay, now millions and millions of people now have access to this. If you have fingers, 2 eyes, and a working brain, then you'll be able to learn these tools also and tap into this AI transition that is going to flood trillions and trillions of dollars into the economy. And that was my contrarian bet. That is what I identified before anyone else and created the AI automation agency or AAA model in May of 2023 was when I actually coined the term, started pushing out videos on it based off what we were doing at Morningside AI. And sure enough, the skeptics arrived in full force, telling me things like, oh no, you'll never be able to sell this stuff to a business. They will never pay for no code. A non-technical person will never be able to do this. Yada, yada, yada. Just like I got so much of it. It was a bit of a shock to me. And I just come on here, I was trying to put people on and share what I was doing at my agency. And that was my contrarian bet, that this no-code, low-code thing would open up a massive market for millions and millions of people to get into AI, to use it as an on-ramp into AI business. And I think it's safe to say that I was right. I was right in a major way, and a lot of my financial success has come from being right in a major way. Also, at Morningside AI, we've been able to go from a very, very small boutique AI agency using Upwork developers to do this custom code stuff, and then eventually going into no code, to then pulling all the way back to going custom code again, adding on consulting, education and development, working with Fortune 500 companies, working with an MBA team, working with an NRL team, working with publicly traded companies as well, doing multi-six-figure contracts from a team of us who were not PhDs in AI. I do not have an AI or an engineering degree. In fact, my business partner and I are both like high school graduates. We don't even have a degree at all. And so that was the proof of concept, Morningside AI, of yes, we can get into this, we can use it as an on-ramp, and we showed you guys where it would go. We showed you how to take it to the highest level. And I think there's still a long way to go with the stuff that I'm talking about right here and how far an AI agency model can go. But I made a contrarian bet back in 2023 that this was the future of people wanting to get into AI and start a business. And the entire AI, no-code AI automation agency industry downstream of that has all popped up, and I will say it, as a direct result of me making those videos in 2023. And I don't say that to brag, but I'm incredibly proud of me being able to get that message out to had rocks thrown at me non-stop by people, but I knew it was the truth, and I was able to make a lot of money off it. And many people who listened to me at that time also made a lot of money, and that's the point of this video. What I'm saying is that I have been called crazy before. If you are a skeptic, if you're like, who's this kid, who does he think he is? Do a little bit of research on me. I've told you the story of me coming into AI with no AI experience, building an agency. We now work with huge companies, multi-six-figure contracts. I've also taught hundreds of thousands of people, if not millions of people, how to learn no-code automation and use it for whatever they want. And say tens of thousands of AI businesses have started up as a direct result of my teaching. And what I'm hoping this video does is to take some of you guys who are naturally pessimistic or skeptical of this stuff and just get you to be a little bit more open-minded about this AGI thing being real, and that this AI operating systems for businesses, and that I can actually automate 60, 70, 80, 90% of my current tasks using Claude Code in the ways that I've talked about here on the channel, and the ways I'm going to be sharing in my full webinar breaking down how I've used this AI OS system to automate a significant part of my business, and how it's going to continue to compound to the point where I literally will be struggling to find things to do. You have two choices, and there are really two types of people who are going to watch this video and watch my content. And there's a quote that sums up the outcomes of these two types of people. It's called, "Pessimists sound smart, optimists make money." Go back to 2023. I have these two guys sitting right in there, Emil and Tadar. You guys may know them from my channel or from my AAA Accelerator program. They saw a YouTube video of mine. It was why AI automation agencies are clearly the next big thing. And they watched that. Tadar, in the middle of 2023, screenshotted it, sent it to Emil, and sent him the link to the video and said, "Yo, watch this." He watched the video, said, "Yep, let's do this. Let's start this business right now." They started OmniFusion AI. They registered the domain that day. And they went on to be some of the most successful students in my entire accelerator program, and building the best AI appointment setting system for coaches that you'll find anywhere on the market. I've seen the results, I've seen the back ends. These guys who heard my message when I put it out the first time and took immediate action have completely changed their lives, now live their dream life, are making hundreds of thousands of dollars, and better yet, because of all that experience of running the AI agency model, are now on a point where they are at the tip of the spear of this AI operating systems and this Claude Code revolution and AGI stuff that we are seeing right in front of us. And so I want to point that out as an example of, like, you guys have an option, you have a choice here. You can be the skeptic or the pessimist in the comments, the one saying, "Oh, no way, man, this is kept, there's no way." Or you can be a little bit more open-minded, be a little bit more optimistic, and say, you know, maybe this guy was right once before. Maybe it's worth even just considering it, looking into it. And that's what I've created a full webinar for you guys. If you are skeptical or pessimistic, or you want to know a little bit more before you decide to bet your career or bet the next few months on it, I'm doing a full webinar. The link to register is going to be the first link in the description. I'll be showing you the entire system that I've been able to build already in the space of 3 weeks that allows me to run my business from my phone using Telegram. Now, I still work on my computer when I'm at home, of course, but when I'm out and about, I have the same abilities as if I was at home and on my computer. And that just completely changes the dynamic as an entrepreneur. I've got a vlog coming out that you guys are going to see me really pushing that to the limits and seeing how far I can take this Telegram-based Claude Code setup and basically try to take the day off, but still get all of my work done while I'm on the go. And guys, there's so much upside to learning how to build these AI operating systems, whether you're starting a business. I'm going to make some content about how to get a business off the ground using this. There's some incredible methods that I'm testing in my accelerator program right now for people to be able to do it as a one-person business and start an AI agency with much less work and much faster than ever before. If you're a business owner who is already up and running, you have the most to gain from this. You have the most in savings to benefit from implementing these AI systems throughout each of the different parts of your business. So I don't want this to drag on, guys, but I've been right before. I understand the skepticism the first time around. I understand that I was some kid on the internet. I looked like I was about 12 years old. I understand the skepticism there, but I was right then. Now I have 7 years of business experience. I have 3 years of running AI businesses. Maybe it's worth just being a little bit more open-minded and giving this a shot, and it might just change your life. And I do this out of a place of love and hope that you guys can have the experience that I've seen from so many people who have taken this AI opportunity and frickin' run with it and built their dream life off the back of it. And I want that for you guys. And that's really the whole point of this channel, is to teach you guys the AI skills, to build a business with it, and for you guys to be able to build your dream life just as I've been able to. So to my longtime viewers who have been there from the start and know where we came from and know how hard it was to get people to believe the reality that we now live in, thank you for your support. And to the skeptics and the pessimists, thank you also for poking holes in my arguments, making me think deeper and want to bring more information and more clarity to you guys so that you guys can also jump into this as well. But that is all for the video, guys. This is the next contrarian bet. This is the next opportunity to make ridiculous amounts of money if you move fast on it. If you want to watch my video breaking down my plan to automate 60 to 70% of my business over the next 30 days and a little bit more information on how I actually plan to do that, that'll be linked up here. Also, if you haven't already and you want to attend my webinar, I'm going to be breaking down over 2 hours everything in my current system, how I've set it up, the different modules, and how you can set it up for yourself. That'll be linked in the description as well. I'll see you guys in the next one.